Here we have a brake proportion valve. We're going to replace it, put a newer one on because this one's leaking. Add some brake release to help it come off, and so we are going to try to spin it off with some nippers and vice grips. At first I'm just going to give it a little bit of torque. I don't want to break it. We'll see how loose it is. It's not giving it all yet. Got it. I'm going to remove these wrenches so we can fit a regular crescent wrench on now. But first we're going to use these to break the other side loose. Okay. Now that it's broken loose, we're going to take these off, then use a crescent wrench to finish taking it off. But first we'll use these to break the other side loose. These vice grips work really well because they get 3 points of contact on a hexagon bolt. I'm going to put some tension on it and see if this side gives too. Yep. There we go. Came off nicely. I'm going to be using these stubby combination wrenches to loosen this up a little bit more. But before I loosen it too much, I need to put a pan under it to catch all of the fluid that comes out. For this, I'm using a 17mm and a 13mm. You can see it start to drip more and more as I loosen it. And because it's a line bolt, you can't get a ratchet on or anything, so you just have to take your time with these combination wrenches, but they are coming off slowly. And now it's starting to come out just about all the way. And there it is. Now we can go ahead and take off the other side. I have taken this other side off. It's also important to note that now we've introduced air into the system, so we'll have to bleed it afterward. But now I can take this off and we'll replace the proportion valve.